The Kismile Nugget Countertop Ice Maker delivers soft, chewable nugget ice in minutes. Compact, quiet, and easy to use, it's perfect for home, parties, and refreshing drinks anytime. Let's get into it. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the Kismile Nugget Countertop Ice Maker. Handle, ice scoop. Ice basket. Product overview. Float switch. Secondary water reservoir. Water reservoir. Maximum water level. Filter. Control panel. Top cover, removable from the top. Hot air outlet. Ice basket. Water drain cap. Ice scoop. Display panel. Ice making and cleaning buttons. Ring indicator light. Water lack indicator light. Ice full indicator light. How to use. Remove the ice basket and fill the reservoir with filtered or tap water up to the max line, about 1.1 liters. Put the basket back, close the lid, and plug in the machine. Press once to make ice, or hold for 5 seconds to run a 15-minute cleaning cycle. Press again to stop cleaning and resume ice making. The machine runs at a moderate noise level, producing nugget ice in about 4 minutes. As the ice stacks up, it keeps working until the basket is full and the ice full indicator lights up. The soft, chewable ice is then ready to scoop into a glass and enjoy. Maintenance. First, unplug the machine and remove the drain plug to let all the water flow out. Next, replace the drain plug and fill the reservoir with drinking water up to the maximum level. Press and hold the User Clean button for 5 seconds to start the 15-minute auto-cleaning cycle. When the cleaning light turns red, unplug the machine again and remove the drain plug to drain the water. Replace the drain plug once more. Finally, fill the unit with fresh water and press the Ice or Clean button to start making ice. Deep clean your ice maker every 2 months to prevent lime scale. Unplug it and drain the water. Mix 1 part cleaner with 5 parts water. Pour into the reservoir, plug in, and hold ice/clean for 5 seconds. Run auto clean 5 minutes. Unplug and let sit 12 hours. Drain, rinse the secondary reservoir. Replace the lid. Run auto clean twice with fresh water. Drain and refill to start making ice. Smart features? In just 15 minutes, a brand new ice maker emerges, ready to serve you with fresh ice. Besides using an ice scoop, you can detach the ice basket for portable ice convenience at parties or when you need ice urgently. Thanks to our powerful dual turbine motor, the ice maker produces up to 35 pounds per 24 hours. Our expanded ice basket offers more capacity for your needs. The clear ice bin offers a visual display of the ice-making process and remaining ice, elevating your space's aesthetics. That brings soothing relief and accelerates recovery. Your partner in pain management and wellness. Specifications. Safety precautions. Troubleshooting. Want to grab the Kismile Nugget Countertop Ice Maker from Amazon? Just tap the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Kismile Nugget Countertop Ice Maker. See you in the next one.